Hey there, language enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your English skills to the next level and become a true master of the language? Well, you've come to the right place because today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to mastering English language skills and proficiency. First things first, let's kick things off with a bang. Have you ever wondered how you can excel in English and stand out in today's globalized world? Stick around because we're about to unveil the secrets to success. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the challenges that many individuals face when striving to improve their English skills. Whether it's grappling with grammar rules, expanding vocabulary, or perfecting pronunciation, we've all been there. But fear not, we're here to guide you through it all. So, how can you elevate your English proficiency? It's all about incorporating a variety of techniques into your learning routine. From engaging in reading and writing exercises to honing your listening and speaking skills, there are endless possibilities. Don't forget the power of immersing yourself in the language through movies, books, and conversations. It's a game changer. Now, here comes the key insight. Consistency and practice are the ultimate keys to mastering English. Yes, you heard it right. By setting achievable goals, staying motivated, and dedicating time each day to practice, you'll be well on your way to language mastery. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. As we wrap up, let's recap the crucial points we've covered today. Continuous learning and improvement are the pillars of enhancing your English language proficiency. It's all about the journey, not just the destination. So, take the first step and start implementing the tips and strategies we've shared with you. Before we go, here's a friendly reminder, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more language learning tips and tricks. We want to hear from you too. Share your experiences and challenges with mastering English in the comments below. Together, we can conquer the world of English.